So just to go over it a little bit more clearly, here is the 5-minute chart. We saw a bearish start right out of the gate, all moving averages becoming resistance, and an all-out dump. We saw that RSI oversold as I was pointing out, and that triple bottom at previous resistance levels, 1460. We bounced off 1462 here. So after that triple bottom, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside. Personally, I would have been locking in profit here at the 20-period moving average resistance because that would have been sufficient profit, and I would have been happy with those gains. But as we can see, the bulls carried it all the way up to key resistance, and we got in. What doesn't show there on those clips is I couldn't piece together all the little clips there, as obviously we're covering many stocks during the day. We had the bearish entry originally, we got the bounce, and after the bounce, we were looking at key resistance. We have got the 100 and 200 period moving average on the 5-minute. They lined up at 1518 and 1520. So as we were approaching 1515, I knew to start looking for another bearish entry as this bounce was pretty played out and we were encountering key resistance. Combined with that, I looked at the daily chart and I saw that the upper Bollinger Band resistance on the daily chart at that point in time was 1510. So I can see clear resistance on the 5-minute chart up in the 15 teens and 1520, combined with daily chart resistance of 1510, which means when the price was up at 1515 or so, that was time for a bearish entry, and you would exit if we were to break 1520 and turn these levels into support. So from that point, we saw another nice pullback, dropped all the way to 1501, and that was another 1% drop to the downside. So this is just an example of how we utilized multiple time frames, the daily chart and the 5-minute chart, to give us a bearish entry, a bullish bounce, and then another bearish entry. So we had about a 3% drop, maybe a 2.5% bounce, and then another 1% drop. So that's just a little example of how we do things. Nice successful trading of Twitter today, and hopefully you come check out the free trial and see for yourself. So I appreciate you watching and hope you have a great night.